Introducing the 2026 Spring Window Washing Endcap featuring Screen Magic. Hands down the world's largest selling window screen cleaner. The concept is simple. When customers see their window cleaning products all in one convenient place, they naturally buy more. Spring is window cleaning season, and this end cap is proven to dramatically increase basket size. This program requires zero spend by using products your store already carries. With an average 41% margin and over $400 in profit, it's a simple free way to grow your spring cleaning sales. Driving sales is Screen Magic Window Screen Cleaner, the world's leading window screen cleaner, trusted by professionals for nearly 2 decades, and now available to homeowners in store exclusively at Ace Hardware, and both the 32-ounce trigger and the 1-gallon refill is now stocked in every RSC. Just let us know your store number and get the planogram here electronically, and we'll mail you the free Screen Magic End Cap poster. We will also tag your store on our social media spring cleaning campaign to help drive traffic to your store. Don't delay, spring is on its way.